Hey guys, okay, so this is the quick video going over the homework from the night before. I really could have just shown you a copy or picture of this worksheet and called it a day, but I do want to just kind of explain as we go through it. So kind of cool, we don't get to do this very often. So pretty basic for questions 1 and 2. The difference between 1 and 2 is that I made the numbers a little bit uglier here. Something I want you to keep an eye out for too. You notice I used common multipliers in my proportions. I can also see that like directly on the photograph. Right here, 6 feet is the distance of the shadow or the show. I do see the typo, unfortunately. And then we have 18 feet over here. I know that's 3 times larger. So I could take the 5.25 times 3 feet as well. I want you to start to keep an eye out for those because even though the numbers aren't as pretty, you still have those 2 that you need to figure out that common multiplier, okay? Or divide and times. If you want to stick with it, that's fine. For this problem, kind of funny, I actually didn't see the A here. I don't know, my brain just thought that was a number, and I just saw the Y and thought, ooh, let's have them find X, Z. So you had more, this could have been a 2-part problem. I just didn't recognize it. The one side that you could not use in your proportion, I guess 2 sides, is this bottom of those triangles. If I'm trying to find Y, I can't have the letter A in my proportion either. It won't give me the right answer. So that's just the side to avoid. This is also a good time to mention that these are not the only setups you could use in the proportions and still get the right answer. So guys, if you get the right answer, don't stress about your setup. It's obviously working, okay? Then down here, I highly, highly recommend whenever you have just words in a problem with similar figures, go ahead and draw them, right? Draw them out. You've seen 2 of these now, one on the big ideas assignment and one on this assignment, okay? And finally, for number 5, which pictures are not proportional? We did this on day 1 of our notes. If you recall, there was like a panda picture and then there were 2 birds. I had the sides and then I had the sides of the new picture. That's essentially what is happening here. So it's just another way for you to see how you can problem solve through these. So I just took those, the height over the base and made a ratio and I reduced it. All of these, oops, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4 of them were 2/3. D was the one that did not equal 2/3 or was not equal to the other, okay? Now, if you do have any questions, please hold them until we can, oh, I guess we are meeting today because this is for tomorrow. Yeah, hold them until we meet today. If you want, you can start the in-class practice. See you soon.